Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I haven't really filmed anything today because Kiara here was very grumpy, so I was taking care of her all morning and trying to see what was up. But it turns out she was just so tired, so she finally fell asleep, woke up, and now she's all happy. So I just finished my lunch. I had an egg sandwich, and now I'm uploading the I'm uploading my main video. I'm uploading to my main channel for a video, my Wednesday video. I post every Wednesdays and Fridays on there, so that should be up when you guys see this vlog. Today there's not much planned at all. It's kind of just a stay home kind of day, hang out with Kiara. There's really not much to do, but the weekend should be fun. I'm not sure what we're doing yet, but Richard will be with me that weekend. He's not with me on the weekly vlogs because he's sleeping and working and has things to do, goes to the gym, has his own schedule, but we're always together on the weekends and we'll be doing something this weekend. Yeah. So let's say hello to Kiara. Hi Kiara. Hello. How are you today? You were crying earlier, eh? And now you're happy? Yeah? And now you're happy? She's just staring at me, blank stare. So I'm about to fill my makeup caddy here with my makeup, and I just want to show you a before and after. So that's the before. This is the after. I'm keeping it in my shelving that I have in my bathroom, which looks like this. I was going to put it underneath the sink because there's lots of room there too, but I just thought this was a good place right here. So it fits all my makeup, the primer, the foundation, and then my 3 brushes. I know I don't have a lot. There's little compartments where you can put them in. And then this is my finish spray. And then I have these 2 here, the eyeliner and the stick for the lips. Oh, and also missing something. Oh, it's right here. Also gotta put that in there. So we'll set that right there, I guess. So that's gonna be for the brows. So yeah, that's what it looks like. 360 view. Again, this was from Avon and it was about 10 bucks. Fits a new makeup person and everything that you need for an everyday look is all right here. Don't really have many eyeshadows. I just have one, which is from Mary Kay. So that is the final look, and I'll just leave it right there. And of course, I have up here the makeup remover spray, makeup remover pads, and then I have my skincare upstairs with the makeup remover for the eyes and the face. So I usually wash my face before I go in the shower, and this is my downstairs bathroom. So yeah, that is the tour of my makeup. I like it. So we did get a pile of snow. I have some footage here. That was Richard filming the outdoors of when he first came home from work, and that's what it looked like. But now this is the after, when everybody got their shovels out and started to pretty much get rid of all the snow and make a clear path to their houses, and it was just crazy. I want to show you guys how well she is standing now. So I put her against a piece of furniture or the table, and she's able to hold on to the object that I put her on, and with no support of me holding on to her. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So for instance, this is the couch here. So Felicia should participate. So she grabs onto the couch like that. Usually I put an object in front of her, like for instance a toy or a changing pad. So I put that there. And voila. No. Let's try that again, shall we? Usually it's always not the best option because this stays still. Oh, let's try this again. So I'm right behind her. So if she does fall, I do catch her. So, see how well she's standing? Yeah, you're doing so well. So she just needs something to grab onto and she's able to stand. So this is a better view down here of her anyways. She might be staring at the camera, that's why it's not very working. Okay, let's put her on the table then. There you go. You can stand up. Yeah, good girl. So as you can see, she's standing up, holding on to the table. She doesn't want to go straight. Voila. She's just not focusing on the task at hand because she's looking at the camera. Yes, you are. Yes, is that you? Yes. She loves to be on camera. But yeah, as you can see, she's standing. She's getting taller and taller as the minutes go by. But earlier she was holding onto the couch with one hand. Now she doesn't want to show you guys. But I'll try showing you guys tomorrow or the next day whenever she does it again. But yeah, she can do it now. So excited, and she's starting to do new things now, like standing. She hasn't started crawling yet though. We'll get there eventually. Or she'll just go straight into walking. Hey guys, update time. It is currently, I don't have a phone with me. It's currently 8:40 p.m. and here Miss Kiara is not in bed because I am doing her laundry. She got her bed wet today with poo. She pooed in her pajamas and then I went through her pajamas onto the mattress cover, so now I'm washing it. And the backup one, I changed her sheets yesterday, so the backup one is in the laundry as well. So she doesn't have anything to sleep on right now, so the clothes are in the dryer. They should be done in about 20 minutes. So she's just feeling really sleepy over there because she's had her milk and she's like, I just want to go to bed. So currently I am editing yesterday's vlog. It's a different kind of vlog. It's more based on a subject than a bunch of different scenes during my day. So it's going to be on my makeup routine. Like I'm going to show you what I use. I'm not going to show you me applying it. If you guys want to see me applying it, I could do a separate video like that on my main channel, but I'm going to show you like the products I use in that vlog. And that's about it for right now. I lit myself a candle because I just like to edit and have a candle nearby and some water as well. It's just a nice relaxing atmosphere after a long day of crying. She was a little bit better today, but still was very upset. I haven't found the reason why. I think she's just tired, having a hard time sleeping, possibly teething. She doesn't have any teeth yet. She's 7 months old if you guys are new. But yeah, that is about it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody enjoyed, and we will see you guys tomorrow in our next daily vlog. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys are interested in family vlogs, and turn the notification bell on so you guys can get notified every time I post a video and you'll never miss one. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!